Hello friends, let's have a look at some of the latest developments from the commodity sector today. Let's begin with the first latest development. Despite maintaining nationwide sugar export ban until September 2026, India has approved the export of 8,666 tons of raw cane sugar to United States. The export has been approved under a tariff rate quota arrangement. The exemption allows limited shipments. At the same time, the government continues to restrict broader exports to safeguard domestic supply and controlling rising prices. The second latest development is related to mango exports. Japan has temporarily halted imports of Indian mangoes after detecting deficiencies in mandatory fumigation procedures. It is raising concerns among exporters and farmers. The suspension is expected to impact mango shipments during the peak export season. Not only this, but it has prompted calls for stricter quality control and quicker corrective measures to restore trade access. Let's focus on the third latest development. The Modi-Meloni movement has created an international buzz. But do you know that the sweet truth about India's booming toffee exports? The exports have surged by 166% over the past decade because of rising global demand, competitive pricing, and expanding production capacity. Strong exports to markets across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia are helping India emerge as a major player in the global confectionery trade. Here comes the latest development. After India, China emerged as a helping hand to other crisis suffering nations, sending humanitarian aid, including thousands of tons of rice, to Cuba, since the island faces worsening shortage caused by ongoing US blockade. The shipment delivered through Havana's port is part of a larger aid package. Moreover, the shipment aimed at easing Cuba's food crisis and economic hardship amid growing international concern. So friends, these developments show how global trade is becoming more selective, sensitive, and strategic. From controlled exports and stricter quality checks to rising consumer goods trade and humanitarian aid. Countries are balancing domestic needs, economic growth, and geopolitical influence in a shifting world order. We'll keep you updated with more such latest developments. Till then, stay safe, stay informed, and thanks for watching.